Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to change the language in the Discord app. This is a very simple setting, but a lot of people still get confused, especially when the app is showing a language they don't understand. So don't worry, I've got you covered. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, make sure your Discord app is fully updated. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search for Discord, and update it to the latest version if an update is available. Once the app is updated, open Discord. Now, on the main screen, tap on your profile icon or settings icon in the corner of the screen. After that, scroll down carefully through the settings menu. You will see an option called Language. Tap on it, and now you'll see a list of all available languages supported by Discord. From here, simply choose the language you want to use. For example, English, Urdu, Spanish, or any other language available. Once you select it, the app will instantly apply the changes, and your Discord interface will now appear in the new language. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you know how to change the language in Discord in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.